guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm giving you a quick clean with me on the main floor of my house, and I am getting stuff done. As you saw there, I'm starting off this video by saving the turtles, and I am cutting up that little pop can, what are they? Rings that go around the pop cans, because Chris is always somebody that cuts those up, so I thought I would do my part and save the turtles. So as you can see here, I am starting off in the kitchen. I got a lot to clean today. We're going to be doing the front hall. Actually, come to think of it, Chris did the front hall. I didn't get it on film, but it's looking pretty good, let me tell you. I'm going to be doing the living room as well as the toy room. You guys know these girls make a disaster in no time. So give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video.
This time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, I know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard, but you that, baby. Got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life.
A beach ball finally popped. I repeat, it finally popped. Guys, we have had that Sunwing beach ball since we went on vacation last winter. Not the winter that just passed, the one before that. I can't believe that it finally popped, so I let all the air out and it's going right in the trash.
I know it, you know it, we make it. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.